the Temu 50cc Thunder. This bike, we're going to find out how it rips. We'll definitely do a video on that. Little man's getting this one for Christmas. I got it on Temu. I had credits, so I decided to get it. I found out that actually a Mototec, a company that we actually deal with, actually sells this same bike, from what I'm aware of. Assembly, which you saw, assembly. This damn thing was pretty easy to put together. My one older boy has a Apollo 250. Oh no, excuse me. Scratch that. An Orion 250. That thing wasn't as easy to put together as this is. I know it's a 250, but it was just like the fit and finish. Everything on this fit up pretty perfectly. It fired up within a couple of pulls, which you saw. So far, I think it's going to be a good bike for the kid. He's 5 years old. He's on the smaller side, but he's 5 years old. He'll be 6 in a couple months. We'll see how this goes. There is a limiter. There is a kill switch, you know, which I don't know why they put that on a dirt bike, but that's fine. We'll see how it works out. I may have paid $250. I'll have to check, or when I do, I'll put it up here on the screen. Yeah, so if you want to see more of this, you should probably subscribe. We're going to be doing a hell of a lot of dirt biking. I think the kids may be getting, the older kids may be getting dirt bikes for Christmas. I'm not sure. We'll see, don't tell them. So yeah, I think we might be putting a dirt bike track on the property. We ain't shooting no goddamn deer. We might as well put a dirt bike track and have some fun. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Don't hang up just yet. I think there may be a scene after this of little Steve getting this on Christmas Day. Let's find out. Thank you. Peace and Merry Christmas. Alright, we're going to see if we can get a good reaction out of little Steve. They're telling him right now about it. What is this?
A dirt bike.
Is it, you think it's yours?
Where's the key?
There's a key. Yeah, it has a key.
Where is it?
Right here.
It's already turned on.
It's on already? Yeah. Here, tell Dad to pull the cord.
The cord.
Pull the cord. See if it starts. It's cold out. Might need some fuel. Let it down until it warms up. What do you think of that? Watch you don't catch your dad's crotch on the with the rear tire. Good. Bring that choke up. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Cool.
You want to get on?
How does it fit? Have Dad pull it off the stand.
Here, hold on for a sec.
I think it's going to be a little big for you, but you could ride it, right? You can probably oh no, that might actually be pretty good. Throw that leg over. Just watch he doesn't slip. Can you touch the ground with at least one leg? No, just one at a time. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Keep your elbows out.
Dad.
Yeah. What do you think?
Nice.
Tear it up when there's no snow, or maybe we get it on the snow. Rop, rop, rop. It's too
Yeah.
I
Stevie, look at me.
I'm bouncing it.
Look
Yeah.
at me, honey. Look at me.
So you gotta put your feet down.
Put one foot down so you don't fall.
Look at mommy.
Look at your mom and smile. All right. So you must have been a good boy. What do you say to Santa?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Santa. All right. It's a pretty badass bike you got there. Maybe your dad can bring it in so it's not out here. I'll get the stand.
Yeah.
It's funny, you got a Fox helmet already. Well, you got to put your foot
You put your
on.
foot-
Put this
put one
foot.
foot here.
Put this foot on this peg. Nope, the
Other
other
one.
foot. Other foot.